Good morning, dear students. Here we can start today's class. In the last class, we had discussed about water purification. When we get water from the so many water sources, how we can purify the water. The water which we will get from the municipal supply. That is all we discussed it. So today we want to discuss about the uh, how can we purify water when we get from the well, our own well or our own bore well. Water which we get from our wells and our bore wells. How we can purify that water. That is what we want to discuss it today. Before starting to that, I want to share some pictures to you. So please watch. Okay, so let me show this the picture which you have seen in the last class, the water tank, right? After purifying the water, the municipalities will store that water in this big tank. These all things we learn. Now, let me start today's. So, Mayuk, Mayuk, unmute your audio. Mayuk, okay, I
Yes,
hope
ma'am.
you can see this board, right?
Yes.
Okay, mute your audio. So here you can see that how we can purify water at our own house. How we can purify water which is in small quantities. In the municipal supply, we have to purify large quantity of water. But in our own home, the quantity of water is less. So we can use some other methods to purify it. During the summer season, the water which we get from the wells and from the bore wells, it contains so much muddy particles, mud, sand, these all things. So, one method we can use it to purify it is settle down the muddy water for a while. You can see it in the first picture. In the in one glass, we took some water. There, some water contains dirt particles and mud and sand also. If we keep it for some time without disturbing it, without disturbing that dirty water for some while, for some time, we will get the dirty particles will settle down at the bottom. The dirty particles will settle down at the bottom, and we will get the clear water. You can see the clear water here. We will get the clear water over it. Likewise, we can pour this clear water into another vessel. This is one of the methods to purify, to filter the water, to get the clear water in our house. Okay, so what we want to do, if we get the muddy water, we should collect that muddy water and keep it for undisturbed for a while. We can keep it undisturbed for a while. After that, we can see that the mud particles, sand, what all are the impurities, it will settle down at the bottom of the glass. Over it, you can see the clear water. Okay, so from this, we can pour that clear water into another vessel. Likewise, we can clear that water, muddy water. This is one method. So let me show you another method. I will show you another method. Here you can see pictures of some which are familiar to you, right? These all things are familiar to you. So, if the muddy water contains so much impurities, sometimes your parents will use some cloth paste for some cloth piece for filtering out, right? See, you can see a cloth piece. Using the cloth piece, we can separate the impurities, muddy particles from the water. This mesh, here also you can see a sieve. This is called sieve. This is called sieve. Okay, this is called sieve, and this is the cloth piece. Here, when we use this, one minute, let me take it. So here you can see a sieve and a cloth piece, and this is called mesh. Okay, these things we can use it to for filtering. These all are called filters. These all are called filters. 1 minute. Let me select it. These all are called filters. So, a mesh or a sieve or a cloth piece, when we pour water over these things, the muddy particles can stuck into it. The muddy particles can stuck into over this. So, we will get the clear water out of it. These all substances are called filters. These all substances are called filters. Okay, so these are called filters. This is not working. See, these filters, when we use these filters to purify water, the mesh, the sieve and the cloth piece can, when we pour the water over it, these muddy particles will stuck into it, so that we will get the clear water. Another filters are modern filters. I will show you. See, here you can see another picture. Some modern filters. Okay, some modern filters, you can see it here. And one more thing, here I will show you. Can you see this picture? This is a filter which we can make. This is a picture of the filter which we can make. Okay, let me stop sharing. So,
Excuse me, ma'am.
here you learn. Yes, Felix. Yes.
I have a doubt.
Yes, ask me.
Ma'am showed one picture now. Muddy water. Some after a while that sand will go down. Then clean water will come. So it is safe for drinking.
No, then also it is not safe for drinking. You can see it in the picture also. Some impurities are there in it, right? Then also, but mute your audio, Felix. Let me explain it. Mute your audio. Fast, mute your audio. So, this 1 minute, let me explain it once again. After that, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. So here I showed some ways of filtering water. If a muddy water is there, we can simply keep it for a while for settle down the muddy particles at the bottom of that vessel. Over that, the clear water we can remove out of it. That is one method. Even though we can see there some impurities are present in that clear water. Okay, so if we want to take that water, if we want to make it clear, we can use some cloth piece or a sieve or a mesh. If we pour the water through the mesh sieve and this cloth piece, the sand, mud particles, that all can stuck over it. So we will get the clear water. That is
So
another
when
method.
we
Nowadays we can see that many modern methods of filtering water. The cloth piece, the mesh and the sieve, these are called filters. These are called filters. When we use filters for purifying water, that process is called filtration. That process is called filtration. So, nowadays we can see many type of filters. And one picture I showed it. Let me share that picture. After that, I will come back to you. Okay. So in this picture, you can see a bottle and you can see some layers of sand, pebbles, gravels, like these all things. Can you see this one?
yes.
Can you see this? Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Let me stop it.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me stop.
Yes, ma'am.
That is also a type
Ma'am,
of
are we
filter.
good?
That is also a filter, type of filter that we can make at our home. If you have time for spending, you can do it. How you have to do? Let me explain it. Take a bottle. Okay, take a bottle, plastic bottle, any mineral water bottle or this drink, Coca-Cola, like that bottles will be there. And you have to cut the bottom part of it. You have to use the four corners place and cut the bottom part of the bottle. Then add some clean sand. Then you have to make it as layers, gravel or the pebbles or some sand, clear sand. This all you can put it in as layers. Layer by layer you can use it there. Then you can pour the dirty water over it. When you put the dirty water over that one, you can see that the dirty particles, mud particles, sand, these all will stuck through these layers. And at the bottom, when we open the cork, we will get the clear water. Understood? So
the clear water.
that is also a method to purify water. So if you have time, you can do it at home. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay,
so I have made it.
okay, Aditi, you made it. Okay. So if it is not ready, in the next class, you can bring it and you can show it. Okay, Aditi? Okay, good.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So these all are the methods of filtering water. So we saw their different methods. Then also let me ask you, the water which is filtered out, will it be safe for drinking? Will it be safe for drinking? Okay, let me show Aditi. Aditi, 1 minute. Okay, show it properly, Aditi. Yes. Okay. So you are using to. Can you take it? Some more. What all things you put it in that? 1 minute. Unmute your audio. Unmute your audio.
Ma'am, sand, mud, pebbles and all.
Okay, sand, you have used sand, mud particle, then pebbles also. So are you getting clear about charcoal also we can use it, right? We have to keep it in a layer. First we can put some gravels, then over that some this one pebbles, over that we can use some charcoal, then mud, this one also, sand also. Okay. So, okay, Aditi. Yeah. So these all we can do it at home. Okay, that all make you very interesting. Hmm? So when we filter the water, after that, is it fit for drinking? After filtering the water, then also is it fit for drinking?
Yes.
No. No,
If
you
it
can.
is purified, it's safe
Okay.
to drink.
How can we
Or it
purify? How can we purify it?
Boil.
Boil water.
By boiling. At home. At home. Okay, okay. At home, we can.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Okay, please wait. Please wait. Okay, Srihari. So.
Ma'am, your voice is very low.
Okay, okay. Let me check it.
No, ma'am, your voice is good.
So here we filtered out the water. We got the clear water. Then also as the water we got is clear, but we can there may be chances of invisible germs in it, right? That can affect some waterborne diseases like cholera, typhoid, like this diseases. So how we can make the water purifying this water? One method which we can use it at our home it is we can boil the water. Unnimaya, listen properly. Okay. So one thing we can do it at home is boil water 10 to 15 minutes. When we boil water to 10 to 15 minutes, almost all the germs may kill. Okay, that can kill almost all the germs. So that is one of the method. Another method is in the municipal supply of water. As the quantity of water is more, we can't boil that whole water. It is not possible to boil the whole water in the municipal tanks. So there we can use some chemicals. There we can use some chemicals for purifying the water. Let me share this thing. So this one are by using chemicals such as chlorine. 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 Chlorine is the name of a chemical. So everybody write down the new word in a rough book. Take your rough book and write down the new word. Chlorine. CHLORINE. Chlorine is a chemical used to purify water which is in large quantity. See, you are familiar with this. Have you heard about bleaching powder? When we put bleaching powder in water, when the bleaching powder comes in contact with water, it will liberate the chlorine gas present in it. This chlorine can kill the germs. Chlorine is used to kill the germs. Another chemical which we can use for purifying water is alum. A-L-U-M. Alum. This is the picture of the alum. White color thing. Alum. It is also a chemical which is used to purify water. So, we can purify water which is in large quantity by using chemicals such as chlorine and alum. If the quantity of water is less, at home we can boil water for 10 to 15 minutes for purifying it. It is the safest method. Boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes is the safest method of purifying water. Okay, so these all are the things which we want to discuss it today. Okay, so let me ask you, which is the safest method?
Boiling water. Boiling water for 10 boiling water for 10 to 20 minutes. Boiling water.
Janvi.
Ma'am.
Internet connection is not stable now. Okay. Janvi, which is the safest method of purification of water?
Boiling water.
Boiling
Boiling
water.
water for
15 to 20
10
minutes.
to 15 minutes.
10 to 15 minutes.
minutes. Okay, mute your audio. Another question. See, which are the, can you name a chemical for purifying water? I will ask Niranjan. Niranjan, unmute your audio, Niranjan.
Alum.
Alum,
Alum.
okay. Can you tell me the spelling of alum, Niranjan?
ALUM.
Very good. Another chemical which we can use for purifying it, water. Another chemical. Nasnia. Yes, unmute your audio. Nasnia.
Chlorine.
Nasnia. Okay. Hera. Nasnia. 1 minute. Nasnia, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you tell me the name of the chemical? Another chemical.
Chlorine.
Chlorine. Can you tell me the spelling, Nasnia?
CHO.
CHLO.
The safe.
CHLO. Chlorine.
IN.
CHLORINE.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the
Sarah.
safest way to
That
drink water
alum,
is
no.
Yes. Sri Hari.
Alum. How are we getting it?
In the see some shops where we will get the chemical bleaching powder, that and all you will get the alum also. Okay. So here bleaching powder. Bleaching powder.
Hey, ma'am.
1 minute. Mute your audio, everybody. See, bleaching powder, you are very familiar with it. Nowadays, this bleaching powder is used at your home. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. So when
Yes,
we
ma'am.
mix the bleaching powder, when we spray the bleaching powder on the ground, or when we mix the bleaching powder with water, you can smell something, isn't it? You can smell something.
Yes.
Have you experienced it? Have you experienced it? That is the smell of chlorine. Okay, that is the smell of chlorine. So the chlorine we can use it for purifying the water. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Danika.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me who it is.
No, ma'am, I'm Sarah.
Sarah, tell me first.
Ma'am, the safest way. Ma'am, the safest way to drink water is
Which is the safest method of drinking water? Which is that one? Who can say? Which is the safest method?
Boiling water for 10 minutes.
Boiling water for 10 minutes. Boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. Boiling water.
So that is the safest method. Yeah, we learned that all things. Now we want to learn one more thing. So everybody please mute your audio first. So here, even though from the water, different water sources, we will get water. We can filter it, we can purify it. After purification also, we can boil it. Then only we can use. These all things you learn. See, you can see in some of the water sources, you can see some impurities there, right? And some other substances mixed with it. Can you tell me which all things are mixed with the water in the water sources? Which all things are mixed with water in water sources, in the river and all? Who can say, raise your hand?
Mud.
Yes, Jones. 1 minute. Yes,
Jones. Stones and sand.
Srihari, is it Srihari?
Yes.
Okay, tell me, what all things can mix with water in water sources?
Sand, Dust.
Dust particle, dirt,
Germs.
germs. Okay. Okay. Manav, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which all things can mix with water in different water sources?
Ma'am, mud, germs,
Germs. Okay. Mud, germs, and what?
and bacteria.
Bacteria. This much only. So Kirtana wants to say something. Yes, Kirtana.
Yes, plastic waste.
Plastics, yes, plastic bottles, plastic covers. You can see it in the rivers or in the beach side. You can see it, right? So many
It will
plastic
make
waste.
the water.
That all can destroy the water. Okay. Is
Ma'am.
there any other thing?
Ma'am, when we split.
Is there any other thing?
Ma'am,
Yes, somebody is calling. Who is that one?
Kirtana.
Kirtana. Okay, Kirtana. What you want?
We will split on the water.
Okay, when we spit on the water, okay, that is also there. So let me show you some pictures through which some other substances, how the other substances mix with the water in different water sources. The addition of these all substances makes the water not fit for drinking. So, the addition of harmful substances to the water is called water pollution. Water pollution. So, which is the topic which we are now going to learn?
Water pollution.
Water pollution.
We are now going to learn about water pollution. Water pollution means, yes, Siddhi. Yes,
Pollution of the water.
I have something that is.
Krishnananda and Siddhi, please mute your audio. Fast. Yes, Srihari, unmute your audio. Yes.
Ma'am, I have something that is a bit similar to alum.
Okay, bit similar to alum. What is that one? What is the name of it?
I don't know, but it's this thing.
Okay, sure. Okay, that is. Can you ask your parent from where you got it?
I found it outside my house near one of our water bodies.
Near one of your water bodies. Okay. So can you ask your parent that what? So let me show you first. Let me see that one. Okay, show it. Is it a stone? White colored stone?
It's clear.
It is clear. Okay, it looks like alum. So you can ask your parent. Okay, without seeing it properly, I can't say that. So ask your parent, show it to your parent, so that they may be knowing about it. Okay. So don't. If you take that thing in your hand, you have to wash it properly. Okay. If it is an alum, means it is a chemical. So keep it on the same place. Inform to your parent. Wash your hands thoroughly using soap. Okay. See, without your permission of your parents, don't take anything like this. We won't know. If it is a stone, okay. But by seeing that, I can't say what is that thing. So here, mute your audio first. So here we can, I want to share something. Can you see a board? Okay. Manjima, unmute your audio. Manjima, unmute it. First.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see this board?
Yes.
Yes. So here it is written water pollution. Write down the new word water pollution. Manjima, please read the spelling of pollution.
Pollution.
What is that word?
Pollution.
Okay, once again read the spelling so that others can write down. Are you writing the new word?
Pollution. Pollution.
Water pollution. What do you mean by water pollution? The addition of
Addition of
harmful substances to the water is called water pollution. Danvin? Danvin? Yes, unmuted Danvin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What do you mean by water pollution? What do you mean by water pollution?
The addition of harmful substances
To the
to
water.
the water is
Is
called
water
water pollution.
pollution. Addition of harmful substances to the water is called water pollution. So, let me ask you something. Let me ask you, Isan, what are the harmful substances adding into the water sources?
Water pollution.
Okay, that all makes water pollution. So, which are the harmful substances that can mix with water sources?
Sand.
Sand, okay. Then
Can I say?
sand, only sand. Before
Mud.
that we mud, okay, muddy particles, sand. Then no other thing. Who can say raise your hand? Don't unmute. Raise your hand.
Can you repeat the question?
Oh yes. See, we learned that water pollution means mixing of harmful substances in the water. So can you tell which are the harmful substances that can mix with water in water sources? Joanne, unmute your audio. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am.
Joanne.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, can I say Prithvi?
1 minute, Joanne.
Ma'am, plastic.
Plastic waste. Okay. Hridvi, next one, Hridvi. Yes, tell me, Hridvi. Waste.
Ma'am,
Which type
Kirtana.
of waste? Which type of waste?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Sarah.
Plastic waste.
Plastic
Some
waste is already told.
fruit,
Ma'am, can I say?
vegetables.
Can I say?
Okay, one
Ma'am,
minute.
Sarah.
Sarah, tell me.
Ma'am, we will spit in the water.
Okay,
Ma'am,
we
Kirtana.
switch it in the water.
Ma'am,
That also
Kirtana.
can. Yes,
Ma'am,
Kirtana.
Ma'am, waste from house.
Okay, waste from house.
Ma'am, actual.
Okay, see, I will give chance if you are raising your hand. Don't unmute, Siddhi, mute your audio. Prithvi, Siddhi, mute your audio first. See, waste from the household, garbage, right? Waste from the household, waste from the factories, plastic waste. These all can mix with water. These all things can pollute the water. These all are the harmful substances that can mix with water. Okay, so let me show some. Yes, any other thing? Any other thing?
Ma'am, small rocks will mix with the water.
That is there. Aditi wants to say something. Yes, Aditi.
And germs.
Germs will be there. Okay. So let me show you some pictures through which you can understand it. Okay. I hope you can see the board now. Say here you can see a picture of the water, the chemicals which are mixing, which are let out from the factories. Factory waste water mixes with the water sources. You can see it here. Next one, you can see one person is spraying some pesticides, spraying some medicine in his farm. But when he spray the medicine, spray the pesticides in his farm, that that chemicals can mix with the underground water. That also flows and mixes with the other water sources. Okay, due to the chemicals that are used in farm, mixed with the soil and then get into the underground water. This causes pollution of underground water. Next one, see some animals, some people are washing their utensils. Some are taking bath in that. You can see some plastic waste also. Then some animals are taking to the river for bathing. These all things you can see there, right? So these all practices, these are called domestic practices. These all practices also can pollute the water. These all can make the water not fit for using. So these all are the things which by which the water gets polluted. Harmful substances can mix with water through these all activities. So you have to read the textbook 3 times. Okay, we will continue with the same topic in the next class. So it is now the time to wind up today's class. If you have any doubts, if you have any
Thank you,
doubts,
ma'am.
you can clear it in the
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.